Kilo Hotel 6 Radio Charlie. Yeah, I ran a QSO before. Yeah, last year, May 12th, we had a good short QSO with you, Randy, from Big Island. You're almost 59 with lots of fans, Randy, and you're 5 by 1 to 5 by 7. 5 by 1 to 5 by 7, Levi. There's a big difference. 5 by 1 to 5 by 7, almost big fanning, I mean. Okay, so this is, I'm doing the, let's see, I'm doing the, last car was a W6 band, actually, and I can read your party from Big Island and Randy, you're 5 by 9 on your feet, but there was a big feeling on you. So I don't know, maybe Randy, can you talk to me today? This will be second QSO, same thing will be fine. Okay, Tokyo, England, Denmark, that is the handle for Denmark, Randy. It's Radio Charlie, increase KL7, JG1UMO. Go ahead, Randy.
Okay, very good. Yeah, well, I put the antenna a little bit more your way. You're 5'9" when I'm looking your direction. I'm beaming 300 degrees for your direction and 0 degrees up. I'm looking to Alaska, so let's split the difference. Put it right about there. That's about the difference. I can hear both of you guys pretty good. I tried the vertical. This is still better than the vertical antenna for both of your signals coming in here tonight. Very good. I was going to ask Levi, too, how much daylight he's going to live here. It's the time here, 8:49 in the evening. The sun's been down here, maybe an hour, something like that. But I used to live further north than where Levi is now. I live in Barrow, and the sun never goes down for 3 months. It stays up. You guys get some darkness this time of year, Levi, but I don't know how much. So it's probably still daylight, I bet. Or it's probably pretty light anyway, where you're at there. Let's see, middle of June, I'm sure. Back to you, Levi, and aloha to you, Ted. Very nice to hear you tonight. 5'9" when I'm looking your direction. And 5'9", we were peeking in here also, Levi. KE7HOP and the group Stroke KL7 Mobile from King Henry 6 Radio Charlie.
Oh yeah, there is definitely no doubt, Randy. Solid 5'9" signal here, so very strong. Yep, it's not going to get dark here for quite a while, and at least, especially not tonight, we'd have to go quite a bit further south. Even if you get down by Anchorage and that area, about 350 miles south of here, there's still pretty much continuous daylight. Up here, I think the sun is pretty much almost going to be up at least 21 hours, and if I was to go about 70 miles within the if I was about 70 miles plus or minus from the Arctic Circle there, yeah, we would easily get the 24 hours of sunlight there. So, yep, darkness, I'm probably not going to see much darkness until at least about August anyways, until it gets somewhat, dark. So for the most part, it's pretty much just daylight when we can't really see the sun. But it's very neat to look north, and you can see both the sunset and the sunrise almost at the same time. This is the only place in the world where I actually know where you could actually see a phenomenon like that there, Randy. So K86RC in the group with KE7HOP stroke KL7 Mobile. Turn it over to JG1UMO, over.
K6 Radio Charlie, Randy, JG1UMO. Yeah, I did see my beam to more east. Randy, you're fine plus 10 on your peak. A great signal. Anyway, instead of new acquisition